Hi, everybody. My name is Ms. Foraker, and I'm here to talk to you today about um, physics. Physics 1 is one of the two physics courses that I teach here at the high school. And Physics 1 would be a class that someone who was interested in how the world works and the physical interactions in your environment, and have a basic background in mathematics, but maybe math isn't your absolute strength. So you're a B or a C student in math. You're interested in physical science, and you don't necessarily want to pursue physics as like a career or in college, but it's something that you have some interest in. So sort of like we study how and why things move. We study forces or interactions in nature between two objects. That's pretty much what we do in first semester. And then in second semester, we talk about sound and light. That personally is my favorite thing to talk about because it's something that a lot of people don't really think about, in particular light. And there's so many practical applications for studying the details of light. And then the final unit of the year, we talk about electricity and magnetism. So those are the main topics that we discuss in physics. Physics can be a gateway course to taking AP physics. So if you take the Physics 1 course and you really enjoy it and you'd like to know more, and maybe you've gotten a little bit more math under your belt, then you could go on and take the AP physics course, which is those topics that we discover in physics only in more detail and with more math. So my physics course is with every unit that we do, we usually do 4 units, one each 9 weeks. For each unit that we do, we also have an end of the unit project, which it varies from year to year exactly what I decide to assign for that project. But for instance, this year we did, first semester, we did a mousetrap car. And then we also did a research and presentation on a topic involving space or astronomy or anything having to do with NASA, which was a lot of fun because students got to just pick something that was interesting to them, and then they would research it and present it to the class. And then we'll also have 2 projects second semester, which I haven't decided on exactly what, but the first one will have something to do with sound and light. And the second one will have something to do with electricity and magnetism. So in addition to having tests and quizzes like a normal course, there are also 4 projects throughout the year, which are part of your assessment. So if you're somebody that likes to do hands-on stuff, that would be a good thing for you. We also do many, many labs in regular physics. So probably once to twice a week, we do a lab where you learn better about what we're studying by actually doing. So measuring how fast a ball will fall, or measuring the forces between 2 objects, or whatever. It depends on what the topic is. But regular physics has lots of labs. Sorry. And we have a lot of fun. So it is, as far as difficulty level, students often think that chemistry must be easier than physics because it usually comes first, but I wouldn't say that that's necessarily true. It's sort of a medium difficult course. It's not super, super difficult, but it won't be the easiest class you've ever taken either. So Anyway, that's regular physics in a nutshell. Prerequisites for math are Algebra 1 or geometry with a C or better. So if you haven't passed Algebra 1 with a C or better, then maybe regular physics is not the best course for you, because it is mathematical. The math level stays right around the Algebra 1 realm. We do a tiny bit of trigonometry, but if you haven't had the trig, then I can help you with that. So anyway, once again, my name is Miss Foraker, and I am the only physics teacher in the building. I also teach chemistry. So have a good day, everybody.